Do you have a big ugly wall outside your house just like this? Because if you do, it'll be a perfect place for a charger, right? EV charger manufacturer Wallbox approached me and they said, would I like a Pulsar Max to try out? Well, of course I would. It's compact, hard wearing, charges all the way up to 22 kilowatts if you've got a 3-phase supply. Links in with solar panels, that's a big plus for me. And it's smart, so it's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth built into it. It sounds fantastic. And yes, I would love one, but we're probably going to move house, so there's little point in me having it. So my wife said, why not give it away as a prize draw? It's actually a really good idea, I thought. So here it is, a prize draw. You can win the Wallbox Pulsar Max with installation, all free, as long as you're in the UK, you own your own home, you've got an EV, kind of obvious stuff. And the one big thing is that I'm going to have to come along and film installation. So sorry about that. You will have to put up with me for a day. If you're interested in entering the competition, I hope you are, then go to my website, mrev.co.uk/wallbox, enter on there. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions, share it with your friends. I want to get as many entries as possible. And then installation should happen in November. So I'm very excited about it, as I think you can tell. So I look forward to seeing one of you in November for the installation of the Wallbox Pulsar Max. Thank you very much for watching. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of other videos coming very soon. Thank you very much. Bye for now. It's a really ugly wall.